Still watching the potential of some strong to severe storms this morning. We have first alert weather days from today all the way through Saturday because of times of some strong to severe storms. And within those storms, large hail and a damaging wind threat, the biggest concern. Now, looking at the first alert radar this morning, what's interesting, I am watching this line of storms out to the west. We have a lot of still convective inhibition, meaning that cap is still in place this morning. So as this front's moving in, it's battling that just a bit more. But I do want to show you that we're already seeing a couple of showers get going. But look at this. What's interesting, in parts of Jack County, we saw this one shower and storm try to get going, made its way from the southwest to the north and east. But notice here we are about 6:08. And then as we advance this forward, look how the activity really just has died out. So not really able to grow a whole lot because it's still that cap that's in place so far this morning. But noticing now still some more activity developing through parts of Jack County, southeast of Jacksboro. So I'm keeping my eyes on that. I want to widen out the view again, and looking back to the west, I'm going to switch on over our radar sites to the Dyess Air Force Base radar site. You can see this line is stretching all the way down through close towards Abilene. The activity on the south end is also trying to hold together just a bit more. Switching on over to the radar site to the Frederick radar site, you're able to see this activity making its way from west to east at about 40 miles per hour. So on that leading edge, with that in mind, it would move its way to the west sides of the Metroplex between about 8:30 to 9 in the parts of Cook County near 8 o'clock, south sides of the Metroplex closer towards 9 o'clock. So still a couple of hours that we're watching these showers and storms developing, but also keeping my eyes out ahead of that for any activity that will be developing for us here in North Texas out ahead of that cold front that's moving in. So let's switch on over to exactly what's going on for us so far this morning for you. And with that in mind, we are going to continue to see the potential of some strong to severe storms off and on the next few days. So wanted to show you your first alert 7-day forecast so you could plan accordingly. I'm going to stay here just a bit. So on Wednesday, that's for today, we do have that enhanced risk of any storms reaching severe limits as this cold front moves in, then stalls out over North Texas. We're going to be seeing the potential of these strong to severe storms on the way. The front's going to lift back to the north overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And with that in mind, another round of rain and storms in the forecast. Now, this forecast computer model is a bit aggressive, not really handling the solution well, but it is handling maybe that frontal passage between about 8 to 10 o'clock, moving its way through parts of the Metroplex with some strong to possibly severe storms before then tapering off this afternoon. Then going into the evening hours, seeing that lifting back to the north and that next round of rain and storms in the forecast going into early Thursday morning. So the first alert 7-day forecast shows for your Thursday 75 degrees. We're going to be seeing that precip chance around 70%, mainly morning hours. Slight risk of any of the storms reaching severe limits late tonight and then into Thursday morning. As we go into Friday, take a look at this. We're going to be dealing with some more widespread rain on the way. Here we are Thursday night into Friday morning. A lot of rain into the forecast for us. We're going to be dealing with at times some pockets of some heavy rain. My concern on Friday is the flooding threat has gone up. We're going to see more of a saturated ground and at times some pockets of some really heavy rain Friday afternoon. Friday night, that tapers off a bit, and then another round coming in for Friday night and then into Saturday morning. A lot of rain going into Saturday morning, but then by Saturday afternoon, we see a lot of that activity then taper off and it shifts its way further to the east. So again, late Thursday into Friday, that slight risk of any storms reaching severe limits. And then going into Friday, we're dealing with that potential of some widespread rain on the way. I want to get you that rainfall total forecast. 1 inch to 6 inches of rain over the next 7 days possible. The bullseye is further to the north and east. So keep that in mind. We're at 74 degrees right now with a south wind at 24, gusting up to near 37 miles per hour. Our 24-hour temperature change warmer than this time yesterday, but almost 30 degrees in some spots. The humidity is in place. We're in the low to the mid 70s. Almost every single reporting location right now with a high temperature this afternoon of 83 when we see that break from these storms this morning.